Money is not just numbers. Money is emotion. It's fear, hope, and the choices we make when no one is watching. We all start thinking, if I earn more, life will be easier. It feels motivating at first. We work harder. We push more. We dream bigger. But slowly, hope becomes pressure. Pressure to earn more. Pressure to spend more. Pressure to prove more. Money stops being a tool. It becomes the boss. We don't make decisions logically. We invest when excited. We sell when scared. We spend when comparing ourselves to others. The biggest mistakes aren't from lack of intelligence. They come from lack of control. When control is missing, we confuse luck with skill. When we win, we think we're smart. When we lose, we blame ourselves. Luck plays a role in success. Luck plays a role in failure. Ignoring this creates overconfidence. Overconfidence leads to collapse. Smart people don't ask, how much can I make? They ask, how much can I lose and still survive? Survival is the foundation of wealth. That's why savings matter. Savings aren't about richness. They are about buying time. Time to think. Time to wait. Time to walk away from bad decisions. Savings give freedom. Freedom to say no. Freedom to choose peace over pressure. Once freedom enters your life, you learn the power of enough. If you don't define enough, you'll never be satisfied. More income creates more desire. More desire creates more stress. Peace comes from knowing when to stop chasing. Most people fail here. They chase status instead of security. They chase appearance instead of stability. Real wealth is invisible. It's the sleep you get at night. It's knowing one bad month won't destroy your life. Solution is not discipline. Solution is not motivation. It's understanding. Time beats talent. Patience beats speed. Consistency beats intensity. Small, smart decisions repeated create results that look like luck. Comparison is expensive. Stop comparing your life to others. Play your own game at your own pace. Money won't make you happy. Understanding money protects you. When you chase money, it controls you. When you understand money, you control life. The fine, respect, risk. Use money as a tool. If T-Selpet, subscribe to Mindory and tell me in the comments which idea from this video stayed with you the most.